Don't come to Sango without a new car, mansion, portable, knocks at young dude. Portable, after all the wasbos with him, boy, you sign former, we say don't go dine with the enemy, and for that reason, he no want to live with him again. The boy come and say, I no dine with any enemy, I only choose to move forward. People don't think say at this point Zazu go bakamu. Some other people say Zazu where we know he go still reply that boy. Now he come and say shebi you don't move on abi you feel say you don't get am or you no come Sango. Make sure say by the time you dey come to Sango you go don I no know that they carry mansion from one place to another. He say come with the mansion and come with a new car if you dey come to Sango. Zazu Krona aka is a baboon. Now I talk this one to young
Sango. Portable, you are not God.
Shebi?
Yes. You are not God.
Make it calm down.
No, you calm down. No go pressure the boy. No, see, I just can't tell them the make person go power for bad.
You don't understand. Which of the way come with mansion?
Mansion.
No,
because the boy come out for your record label. No, me say you go to tackle the boy. Allow the boy drink water to come. You understand?
Even if in there with you, go make him overnight.
You know
so how do you expect him to go and make it overnight?
Because say God blow Portable whistle. No, me say God no go blow young dude.
So maker no easy for it. Like I say maker.
Even a maker no maker.
Maker to reach hard.
Like that's why Richard.
That's Richard. Richard would say to Richard. Portable. I know you don't know me. Neither do I know you too. I don't know why, although is my past say if you keep stoning at every dog that barks at you, you'll not get to your destination. Portable, I know you are always on the limelight. Since you drove that Zazu 2 years ago, he has always wanted to be on the limelight. Yes. So even if not for this young dude now, something will still make him come out. He just want to be relevant.
Portable should know that no artist lasts forever.
That covers it. What do you drink actually?
I drink
water and mind your business.
Nothing want to do that. Say no, but you know say no, I will go tire for you. You get what you go do and
yes, nah.
They go tire, just go tire. So if you call, now say
don't come again.
Gwakwanu Portable call Jukwese.
Jukwese imesenke.
Who go do pass and plenty now?
Thank you. That advice, in fact, it has gone a long way.